Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming live from Shauri Moyo, where demolition has been happening. The government decided to demolish houses over here, and I'll take you to the other sides. So they said it has to be demolished 30 meters from the river. They were constructed too close to the river. So let me take you along. Subscribe to the channel and give it a like and comment. Let's go. Demolitions have been happening over here. All these houses have been demolished because it was too close to the river. You can see all these people standing by the roadside. They have been stranded after their houses have been demolished. This is along Nairobi River in Eastleigh. So let me go and assess how the situation is. Come along with me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. This is Peter Did It. Subscribe to the channel and let's go. You can see demolitions have been happening over here. This one is somebody has collected the remaining parts or has been able to salvage some of the iron sheets from their houses. You can see all these people have been left homeless, and they are trying to figure out their way forward, and some have come to collect some of the valuables, the metals, the wood, so that they can sell. You can see over to the other side, demolitions has happened along the river. This is Nairobi River. You can see all that side. Demolitions have happened today. People collecting whatever they can, the metals, the iron sheet, the wood. Everybody is busy. You can see. Let's hello. You can see what. You can see these ones. Oh. They have been demolished. Look, all this side has been demolished. People are trying to salvage metals. So whatever they are doing, they're taking these ones, the pillars, the metal that have been used to make the pillars. These houses had come up to this point. They are dumping trash. So houses were up to this point. Look at all that side. Demolished. You can see this one. This one was someone's house. See?
My baby, be my boy.
All this demolished. Oh my God. Houses have been demolished over here. You see, over to the other side, people are trying to salvage whatever they can. It's both sides of the river. 30 meters away from the river. You see, this one's hanging over here. Oh, somebody went some loss. Loss, total loss. Chris Dardog, what's your say about this situation?
The situation is not good, but
It is what it is.
it is what it is. And also, I think they did give out the notice that they are going to be demolishing those houses near the river, at least 100 meters away.
No, 30 meters.
30.
Yeah, from the river, 30 meters. Is what is referred to as, actually all the rivers, even in the villages, you cannot farm 30 meters away from the,
30 meters
close to the river. Yeah, it's that. Yeah.
But
You see-
on the other side is more like affected than
You
this
know,
side.
whatever happens, if the house is 30 meters and part of your house is halfway is between that mark, so the whole house goes. So that's why you see that side is bigger than this one.
Oh, than this one.
Yeah, so this one you see they were cut in half, not all of it.
But the other side they were like
So
together.
close to one another.
Okay.
So let's keep moving. We keep moving this way. Over to the other side, the situation is bad as this situation right here. Hey, it's bad. This is Nairobi River, and I've realized it's a bit cleaner than before, although still dirty. Somebody shot. Look at this one. This one was like a school. This one was a school. This one was a school. I can see kindergarten writings. Ay. Poa. Need to take some metals. Side demolitions are still going on, but that side most of them were mabati houses or iron sheets. Mabati is a Swahili word for iron sheets. People have been left without any plan, devastated. I feel sorry for them. The government did not give them notice to vacate the riparian land. So unfortunate for them. Look at this. All of this. The other side they have been demolished also. Part of this part also finished. This one was a corridor. Okay. Look at all these. All these houses have been demolished, finished, because they were too close to the river, up to this side. Wow. Sorry for them, a lot of investment has been lost. Wow. Can see. You see, all these were people's houses. You can see this line and this also from here to there, this way. That was someone's room. This one was a corridor. There were like single rooms. And at this point, that's where the iron sheet there, the roof of the house. So all this place demolished, and over to the other sides. Still over to the other side. This is Eastleigh, and on that side is Eastleigh. This side is Shauri Moyo along Jogoo Road, but now at the river banks where the government is demolishing houses.